Stoichiometry: if 5 moles of hydrogen gas react with 2 moles of oxygen gas to form water, what is the limiting reactant? Okay, so we have our equation of reaction right here, and now this is what to do, so you don't have to get scared of this. We have 5 moles of oxygen gas. This is 5 moles, and that's of hydrogen gas there. And then 2 moles of oxygen gas, so here's 2 moles. Now the question is, what is the limiting reactant? Can we just say that this is smaller and then decide that oxygen is our limiting reactant? It doesn't always work that way. So this is what you do instead. You get what we call a ratio. But for you to do this, you must make sure that your equation is balanced. So let's check it. Is it? Now it is, because hydrogen is 4 here and our oxygen is 2. So as far as ratio is concerned, for hydrogen, it's going to be the moles divided by the coefficient in the balanced equation. So that's it, 5/2. This is for hydrogen. And then for oxygen, we'll do the same thing. The moles you have divided by the coefficient in the balanced equation, and that's it. So this becomes 2 here, and this becomes 2.5. Now we're to compare these two answers, 2.5 and 2, and we can see that 2 is smaller. Therefore, our oxygen is our limiting reactant. So you can conclude here by saying oxygen gas, that's O2, is our limiting reactant, and that answers the question. So if this is a helpful video for you, remember that we are going to roll out more videos of this form, solving more questions on stoichiometry, so get ready and subscribe to get notified of those new ones. Okay, have fun.